In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Typeform from scratch on your PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, go to typeform.com. Once the site loads, log into your account so you can access the builder and your workspace. After you're in, click Create and choose New Typeform. This opens the builder where you decide how to begin. You'll see two choices: start from scratch or use Typeform AI. Starting from scratch gives you full control over every question and design detail. Use Typeform AI if you want a quick draft. It can suggest a structure and sample questions from a short description of your goal, and you can edit everything afterward. Pick the method that fits your workflow and how much guidance you want. Now add your content. Click the plus sign labeled Add Content to insert your first question. Think of each question as a block you can reorder at any time to shape the flow. When prompted, choose the question type, such as multiple choice, short text, or rating. Match the format to the kind of information you need. Multiple choice is perfect when you want consistent, easy to compare answers. Short text works well for brief, open responses. A rating field helps you measure satisfaction or sentiment at a glance. Keep your wording concise, avoid double-barreled questions, and use plain language so respondents always know what you're asking. With your questions in place, click Design to personalize the look and feel. Here you can change colors, fonts, and the background to reflect your brand or the tone of the form. Aim for strong color contrast and clear font styles for readability. If you'd like a visual backdrop, click Gallery to browse and choose a background image. Pick something clean, high resolution, and not too busy so the text remains legible and the image doesn't distract from the content. Consistency across colors and typography helps your form feel polished and trustworthy. Next, click the Settings icon, the small gear, to fine-tune key details. Edit the form name so it's easy to recognize in your dashboard, choose the language your respondents will see, and set up notifications if you want email alerts when someone completes the form. Clear naming and the right language setting make organization and respondent experience smoother, while notifications help you stay on top of new submissions. When everything looks right, click Save to store your changes. That's all you need to create a clean, customized Typeform from start to finish. You're now ready to build, personalize, and collect responses with confidence.